welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Marty from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today we're presenting to you the beautiful 2025 Coachmen Prism Class C on a Sprinter chassis. First thing you see, this is a beautiful color. I call this is like an Audi color. Like, you know, the car Audi, they have the best color like that. So I love the gel coated cap in the front, as you see, with the big frameless window with the LED light in the front. It's a nice Sprinter chassis, and this model is called the 24FSS. What's mean by 24FS? It's a 24 feet with the super slide. It has the dinette and the bed on one piece slide out. It comes with a compartment for outside entertainment if you choose. It comes with a big LP tank, endless hot water heater, a lot of storage. It has outside barbecue grill hookup, nice power awning with LED light. As you see, it has a backup camera, come with a ladder outside, Class 3 receivers. I love the finishing, especially the Dalmatian dog with the Coachmen Prism. And then as you see over here, we have a big slide out. That's called 24FSS. SS is means super slide. Whereas this portion is the nice queen size bed, and that portion is a dinette or theater seating. If you take a picture, show them, we have two in stock. So they're exactly identical. There's nothing different. The only difference between them, this has a dinette booth. This one has a theater seating in replacing of the dinette. Other than that, they're exactly same motorhome. As you see, they have also the big, I would like to open this one. Look how big, huge the storage on this unit, on the 24SS. Also come with the Onan 3600 LP generator. This is a Class C Sprinter chassis, diesel. They have a good gas mileage and come with a 3600 watt LP generator. How beautiful this Class C Sprinter, good gas mileage, easy to drive. Ladies, you drive like a G-Wagon. Coming in, let me show it to you inside. It has a big slide out. So as you see, is the dinette and the closet as well, the queen bed on the slide out. So I'm sitting in a nice, beautiful dinette. The nice thing about it, there's no foot, no step, no nothing. Easy to get in. These has the modern window where half is shade, so I could bring the shade all the way down, or I could bring the screen and open the window. And then I like about they give you window on both sides, so you have window right here, as well you have window over the bed. But you could see the slide out is whole entire motorhome from this side all the way to that side. It's almost 14 feet slide out. It come in between them a nice doors, socks, underwears, whatever's. You could use it also as a pantry for your kitchen if you need more storage in the kitchen. And there's two also here. The dinette bench has a storage compartment underneath. You could access it from the top as well. You have the big doors here. Now, when it's come to the kitchen, look how roomy. It has two induction stove, convection microwave. You could cook inside. Tinsel doors, more doors. You could put a big trash can here if you want to, or whatever. More shelf, nice for tinsels. Look how roomy this kitchen. When it comes to the fridge, they give you the biggest refrigerator for Class C Sprinter chassis, 3-door. That's the fridge and the freezer, around 12 volt, has solar, ready to go. Nice queen size bed. Beauty about this bed, you don't have to do nothing. When you close the slide, it closes by itself, and you can still get to your bathroom without without any interruptions. Full closet. Look how big, how deep. Whole closet with doors, more doors, as you see here. Then across from it, a shower. I like the shower because I like the finishing on the walls with soap dispensers, back, shower head, nice door, sink, medicine cabinet, another medicine cabinet, a toilet. As you see, is a beautiful big bathroom with a big kitchen. And across from the dinette, we have 27-inch smart TV. It's on a swing arm. I could see it if I want from the upper bunk, from the dinette, and even from the bedroom if I want to. And it has locking mode. There's also, here's another overhead bunk. So sleep, you know, you could sleep easy. One big adult or two kids. Come with a ladder, a nice window and a motorized. And then if you move it, typical Sprinter chassis Mercedes, where everything is a touch screen, and it has 3 cameras, backup, driver side, passenger side, and all the features of Sprinter chassis. It is a beautiful Prism. The Prism is for a person who want to buy a Sprinter chassis and he said, hey, I don't want to pay 150, 140. This is where you started in because we have them at a price no one could match. Come in.